Hello, and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is calm, simple, and beginner friendly. The English is slow and clear, so you can relax and listen comfortably. Emma had a long and stressful day at work. She came home tired during a very hot summer night. But when she opened her new desk fan, something was wrong. Here is today's listening question. What did Emma and Jake search for on the laptop? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. And after you finish watching, try writing your answer in the comments. Writing helps you practice English and remember new words more easily. Now, let's begin today's story.
Ugh, it's so hot outside.
You look exhausted. Long day?
Very long. The office air conditioner stopped working again.
Seriously? That sounds terrible.
Yeah, everyone looked tired today.
Here, I made some ice water.
Oh, thank you. I needed this.
It's like a sauna in here, too.
I know. This apartment gets so hot at night.
I opened the windows, but it doesn't help much.
I can't wait for cooler weather.
Same here.
But at least my package came today.
Oh, right, the desk fan.
Yeah, finally.
You've been talking about that fan all week.
Because I really need it.
I don't blame you.
Last night, I couldn't sleep at all.
Too hot?
Way too hot. I woke up like 3 times.
That's rough.
Tonight will be different.
You sound very confident.
I am confident.
So where's the package?
Right there by the couch.
That box is smaller than I expected.
The review said it was compact but powerful.
We'll see about the powerful part.
Don't say that.
I'm kidding.
I spent a lot of time choosing this one.
How many reviews did you read?
Probably 50.
50? Wow.
I wanted a quiet fan.
That makes sense.
And this one was on sale.
Even better.
Honestly, I just want a quiet evening.
No work emails?
Absolutely no work emails.
Good plan.
I'm going to take a shower, turn on the fan, and relax.
That sounds perfect.
This fan better change my life tonight.
That's a lot of pressure for one little fan.
Don't ruin this moment for me.
Okay. Open the box already.
I will. Give me 1 second.
I'm actually curious now.
Me too.
Hopefully this thing is worth the wait.
It has to be. Okay, here it is.
It looks smaller out of the box.
That's fine. I don't need a huge fan.
True.
Wow, this setup is easy.
That's always a good sign.
Okay, let's see.
Moment of truth.
Did it turn on?
No? Wait, maybe press the power button again.
I did.
Nothing?
Nothing at all.
Huh, that's strange.
Maybe the plug is loose.
Try the other outlet.
Good idea.
Still nothing?
Nope.
Let me see it for a second.
Here.
The cable looks fine.
I knew something bad would happen.
Hey, don't say that yet.
I'm serious.
Maybe it just needs a reset or something.
It's a fan, Jake.
Fair point.
Try pressing the button again.
I already did.
Try harder.
That's not how buttons work.
Ugh.
Okay, now I'm worried too.
It's not turning on at all.
Yeah, I think this thing is dead.
You've got to be kidding me.
Did it make any sound before?
Nothing. Not even a tiny sound.
That's really annoying.
I waited 3 days for this.
And during the hottest week of the year.
Exactly.
Did the box look damaged when it arrived?
No, everything looks normal. I paid good money for this too.
I know.
This was supposed to fix my terrible sleep situation.
Instead, now you're angry and sweaty.
Very sweaty.
Okay, don't panic yet.
I'm trying not to.
There's probably an easy solution.
Like what? Magic?
Maybe customer service.
Ugh, I hate dealing with customer service.
Most people do.
I just wanted one peaceful night.
We'll figure it out.
You really think so?
Yeah, first let's find your order email.
Oh no, I hope I still have it.
Okay, open your email.
I have way too many emails.
How many?
Almost 12,000.
Emma,
Don't judge me.
I'm definitely judging you a little.
This is not helping.
Sorry, focus.
Okay.
What store did you buy the fan from?
Breeze Home.
Search for that name.
I already did.
And?
There are too many emails from them.
Why are there so many?
They send emails every day.
Ah, yes, big summer sale.
Last chance, final hours.
Please buy another fan.
Very funny.
Wait, when did you order it?
Maybe Monday night?
Search Monday.
Hold on.
Anything?
No, that's my food delivery receipt.
Important information, too.
Jake!
Sorry.
Wait a second.
What?
I found the shipping email,
Nice.
but not the order email.
Check the bottom.
Oh wait, there's a number here.
Is that the order number?
I think so.
Read it to me.
BH2047. No, wait. 2074.
You should probably wear your glasses.
I am wearing my glasses.
Oh, then that's concerning.
Stop.
Sorry.
Okay, I found the full receipt now.
Perfect.
It says I can return damaged items within 14 days.
See? That's good news.
Maybe this won't be so bad.
Exactly.
I still don't want to call them.
Why not?
I don't know, it's always awkward.
It's not awkward. You bought something broken.
True.
And you have the receipt.
That does make me feel better.
Good.
What if they ask a lot of questions?
Then you answer them.
Very helpful advice.
Thank you. I try my best.
At least I have the order number now.
That's the important part.
Okay, maybe I should call before the store closes.
That sounds like a smart idea.
All right, I'm doing it.
Thank you for calling Breeze Home. How can I help you today?
Hi, I bought a desk fan from your website, but it doesn't work.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, I just opened it tonight.
And it's not turning on?
Right, it won't turn on at all.
Okay, let me check your order information.
Sure.
Do you have the order number?
Yes, I do.
Go ahead.
It's BH207419. One moment, please. Okay. All right. I found your order. Great.
It looks like the fan was delivered this afternoon.
Yeah, that's right. Did you try different outlets? Yes, we tried 2 different ones.
And there was no sound or movement?
Nothing. I see. Honestly, I think it arrived broken. That's possible. I really needed it tonight, too.
It's been very hot this week.
Exactly. Don't worry, we can help you with that. That's good to hear. Would you like a refund or an exchange? I think an exchange is better.
No problem. Can I do that tonight? Yes, our store closes at 9.
Oh, good.
Just bring the fan and the receipt email.
Okay, I have the receipt.
Perfect. Do I need the original box too? If possible, yes. All right. The store is not very busy right now, so it should be quick.
That's even better.
Is there anything else I can help you with? Actually, no, I think that's everything. Great. We'll see you soon. Thanks for your help. You're welcome. Have a good night. You too.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Hi there. Can I help you? Hi, I called earlier about a broken desk fan.
Oh, right, the online order.
Yeah, that was me.
Do you have the receipt email?
Yes, right here.
Great, let me take a look.
Okay.
And this is the fan.
Yep, it never turned on.
I'm sorry about that.
It's all right, I just want a working fan.
Totally understandable.
Thanks.
Let me scan the order number.
Sure. All right, I found it. Good.
So, would you prefer store credit or a replacement?
Sorry, what was the first one?
Store credit.
I'm not sure what that means. No problem. Sorry, I've never returned anything here before.
That's okay.
So, what exactly is store credit?
It means we put the money on your account.
Oh,
Then you can use it later in the store.
I see.
Or you can get a replacement fan today.
Honestly, I just want a new fan.
That makes sense.
My apartment is way too hot right now.
I completely understand.
It's been terrible this week.
Yeah, everyone's buying fans right now.
I believe it.
Let me check if we still have this model.
Okay,
1 second.
sure.
Good news! We still have a few left.
Really? Great.
I can grab one for you now.
Thank you.
No worries.
I was worried I'd have to come back tomorrow.
Nope, we can replace it tonight.
That's such a relief.
I'll be right back with the new one.
Sounds good.
Here you go. Oh, nice. This box looks better already. Hopefully this one works perfectly.
I really hope so too.
Would you like the receipt printed or emailed?
Email is fine.
Done.
Thanks again for helping me.
Of course. Have a good night. You too.
You're back.
And I have a new fan.
Nice. That was fast.
Yeah, the store wasn't busy.
Did everything go okay?
Mostly.
Mostly sounds interesting.
The worker asked if I wanted store credit.
Ah,
I had no idea what that meant at first,
that happens.
but she explained it really clearly.
Good.
Anyway, moment of truth again.
Round 2.
Don't say it like that.
Sorry.
Okay, let's plug this in.
Fingers crossed.
All right.
Wait, I hear something.
Oh my God.
Is that air?
It works.
Finally.
Oh wow, that feels amazing.
The room already feels better.
I can actually breathe again.
And it's pretty quiet, too.
Yeah, much quieter than I expected.
All those review videos paid off.
Don't make fun of me.
I'm not. I'm impressed.
Honestly, this was way more stressful than it needed to be.
At least it's over now.
True.
Do you want some cold water?
Please.
Here.
Thank you.
So, was the new box easier to open?
Weirdly, yes.
Maybe that was the real problem all along.
A cursed box?
Exactly.
Honestly, I believe it.
Well, your terrible fan journey is finally over.
Hopefully forever.
What time is it now?
Almost 9:30.
Wow, what a long evening.
Seriously.
But at least you can finally relax.
Yeah, I really needed this.
The apartment finally feels normal again.
I know. This fan saved my life.
Earlier, you looked completely miserable.
Because I was miserable.
Fair enough.
I seriously thought I was going to spend another night sweating in bed.
Thankfully, that did not happen.
Definitely not.
So, let's review tonight's adventure.
Oh no.
First, you came home exhausted.
Correct.
Then you opened the fan box.
Biggest mistake of my life.
A little dramatic, but okay.
I was emotionally damaged.
Then the fan didn't work at all.
Not even a little bit.
After that, we searched for your order email for 20 years.
It really felt that long.
Your inbox is terrifying, by the way.
I know.
Then you called the store.
Which honestly went better than I expected.
See, most customer service workers are pretty nice.
Yeah, she was very patient.
And then came the mystery phrase.
Store credit.
Exactly.
I still think that sounds confusing.
A little, yeah.
But now I know what it means.
Growth.
Thank you, Teacher Jake.
You're welcome, Student Emma.
Honestly, though, I'm glad I went to the store tonight.
Me too.
Earlier, I wanted to give up and deal with it tomorrow.
But you didn't.
Yeah,
And now you have a working fan.
best feeling ever.
So, what did we learn today?
Keep the receipt email
Very important.
and test electronics immediately.
Smart.
Also, don't panic too quickly.
That's a good one.
Most problems are easier than they seem.
Exactly.
I actually feel kind of proud of myself now.
You should.
Everything worked out in the end.
And now you can finally sleep comfortably.
That is the best part.
Ready for bed?
Absolutely.
Good night, Emma.
Good night, Jake.
What a long day for Emma. At first, she felt tired, frustrated, and uncomfortable. But little by little, she solved the problem calmly. She found the order email, she called the store, she asked questions when she did not understand something, and in the end, she brought home a new fan that worked perfectly. You did a great job listening to today's story. Step by step, your English listening is getting stronger. Now, here's today's listening question again. What did Emma and Jake search for on the laptop? If you know the answer, write it in the comments. Writing your answer is a great way to practice English and remember the story longer. And if today's story helped you relax and learn, please like this video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more calm and easy English conversations. If you want to support the channel and help us create more relaxing stories, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for listening with us today. Take your time. Keep practicing, and we will see you again very soon on English Listening Stories.